How to transfer money from Grab to bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Grab to bank account. First of all, open up the Grab app. Once you open up the app, click on the payment icon from the bottom. Then from Payments, click on Activate Wallet. Now activation will only take a few minutes, for which simply click on Let's Go. Enter your full name and click on the arrow to continue. After that, open up the web browser. So first of all, from the Grab app home screen, tap on Finance. Then tap on the Transfer feature. After that, you'll see your transferable balance, as well as various transfer options. You can choose to transfer the balance to your PayNow linked bank account or another grabpay wallet, bank account, or e-wallet. Tap on the account type you wish to transfer to. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.